Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So before we enable any deploy any resource under any subscription, make sure the API related to the service should be enabled. Like if you want to enable or if you want to deploy the data migration service, the data migration service API resources, I mean the resource provider should be enabled. So you have to select the particular subscription and go to the resource provider. For data migration, you just need to check here like the what resource provider is available. If you see for data migration, the resource provider name is Microsoft Data Migration, which is not registered. Okay, so before deploying that, make sure it will be registered. Otherwise, it will not allow to create that resource under the that particular subscription. Okay, so make sure that API or resource provider should be enabled. So that I selected to register that. It will take some time to get registered, and once get registered, then you can able to deploy that related the resources like uh, for data migration related services you can able to deploy. Similarly to MySQL also you can see my, my Microsoft MySQL, okay, something like that. You'll get that. So it is the procedure to enable the API like in the Google, okay, uh, like the how to enable the resource provider, okay, for the particular resources, okay. Yeah, you can see the data migration service related API has been registered. Okay, so thank you guys. So we'll connect in the next session. The API has been enabled, the resource provider has been enabled, so we can able to connect the create the DMS in the next session.